Good evening, my dear viewers. Today I share my point of view. Topic: War and Peace. Every year, billions of dollars are spent on war machines like atom bomb, weapons, missiles, air force equipment. But imagine that if that money went towards clean water, schools, food, and hospitals. Sir, instead of fueling conflict, we could be fighting for poverty, hunger, healthcare system. Peace is not weakness; it is the strongest foundation for a better life. My dear, let us choose hope over hate and build a future where our dollar help life grow, not tear it apart. Thank you very much. Please share my video. I am so grateful. Again, thank you. Khuda Hafiz.